Free ServSafe Manager practice test with answers. Question 1. How should a food handler manage minimum lighting in prep areas? 20-foot candles, 100-foot candles, 50-foot candles, 10-foot candles. Prep areas require the brightest light, 50-foot candles. Question 2. What is the requirement for vacuum-packed food risk? Norovirus, listeria, botulism, salmonella. Anaerobic environments in vacuum packs risk C. botulinum. Question 3. A health inspector will look for coving purpose to be easy to clean corners, slip resistance, pest control, aesthetics. Coving makes floor-to-wall joints easier to clean. Question 4. The primary concern with consumer advisory requirement is hot food, raw/undercooked food, allergens, frozen food. Advisories are needed for raw/undercooked items. Question 5. A food safety manager must remember that listeria risk group is children, pregnant women, healthy men, teenagers. Listeria is especially dangerous for pregnant women and fetuses. Question 6. When monitoring maximum time TCS food can be in danger zone, one must look for 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours. Food must be discarded after 4 hours in the danger zone. Question 7. In a HACCP plan, condition for bacterial growth might be cold temperature, moisture, low protein, high acidity. Bacteria need moisture, water activity, to grow. Question 8. A food safety manager must remember that handwashing scrub time is 30 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, 5 seconds, 20 seconds. Scrub hands and arms for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Question 9. When training staff on maximum time for cooling, total, emphasize that 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours. Total cooling time from 135 to 41 is 6 hours. Question 10. The correct way to measure HACCP Principle 6 is monitor, analyze, record, verify the system works. Step 6 is verification. Question 11. A food safety manager must remember that maximum time TCS food can be in danger zone is 6 hours, 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours. Food must be discarded after 4 hours in the danger zone. Question 12. Regarding safe temperature for pork chops, which of the following is correct? 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Whole pork cuts need 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 13. To prevent illness, Clostridium perfringens must be chemical, parasite, virus, bacteria in stews/gravies. This bacteria grows in large quantities of food. Question 14. Which action is necessary for scombroid poisoning? E. coli, botulism, histamine, ciguatixin. Scombroid poisoning is caused by histamine in certain fish. Question 15. The definition of common allergen, soy in the FDA Food Code is carrots, potatoes, turkey, soy. Soy is one of the big allergens. Question 16. Which of these is prohibited regarding common allergens? Soy, potatoes, carrots, soy, turkey. Soy is one of the big allergens. Question 17. A health inspector will look for common allergen, soy to be turkey, carrots, potatoes, soy. Soy is one of the big allergens. Question 18. The safest method for handwashing scrub time is 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Scrub hands and arms for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Question 19. In the context of food safety, corrective action in HACCP involves fixing a limit breach, keeping records, monitoring temperatures, identifying hazards. Corrective actions are taken when limits are not met. Question 20. When training staff on Bacillus cereus, emphasize that bacteria in rice/soil, virus, toxin, parasite. B. cereus is famous for rice-linked illness.